Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get those brand new Galaxy Watch 8 watch faces on your older Galaxy Watch. Whether you're using a Watch 4, Watch 5, or Watch 6, you can enjoy the fresh Galaxy Watch 8 feel right on your current device. So let's jump right in. Part 1. Compatibility Check. First things first, this method works on all Galaxy Watches running Wear OS 3 or later, which includes Galaxy Watch 4, Galaxy Watch 5, Galaxy Watch 6. If you're using a Tizen-based watch like Watch 3 or older, unfortunately, this method won't work. Part 2. Download required apps. Now, let's get the tools we need. On your phone connected to the Galaxy Watch, open the Google Play Store. Search for watch face studio alternatives like Facer or WatchMaker, or use Hex Installer for a full customization look. Download and install the app both on your phone and your watch. Part 3. Install Galaxy Watch 8 watch faces. Now open the Facer app on your phone and go to the search bar. Type Galaxy Watch 8 watch faces. You'll see tons of results that replicate the look and style of the Watch 8. Pick your favorite, tap Sync to Watch, and boom, your watch is now rocking the Galaxy Watch 8 look. Part 4. Manual installation optional. If you're more advanced, you can even sideload official watch face files extracted from the Watch 8 firmware. But this requires ADB setup, developer mode, and some tech know-how. Let me know in the comments if you want a full guide on that. Part 5. Final tips. Here are a few bonus tips. Make sure your watch is updated to the latest software. Use a mold-friendly faces for better battery life. OU can even customize complications like heart rate, weather, and step count to match Watch 8 features. Conclusion. And that's it. That's how you can get Galaxy Watch 8 watch faces on your older Galaxy Watch in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe,